a tire brand in the Philippines is not easy. It takes time, it takes effort, and most importantly, it takes trust. And those are lessons Sailun is taking to heart. Let's see what tires they have to offer for all kinds of consumers in the Philippines. Sailun was first established in 2002 and quickly rose to becoming one of the largest tire manufacturers all around the world. In the Philippine setting, they've been here for more than a decade. And initially, they focused on the growing truck and bus sector, ones that need very tough tires and very durable tires for the long haul. But in the SUV sector and the pickup truck sector, they've also got a lot of offerings. If you're looking to go off-road, look at the Terramax in all-terrain and RT. These will give you the performance you need when you're venturing out into the off-road. The Terramax gives you the performance at an affordable price, especially if you like to go off-road. But in the last couple of years, Sailun has also been focusing on the passenger car sector with their line of Atrezzo tires. You have the Eco and the Elite if you want performance, and then you have the ZSR for your crossover SUVs. I think I hear some tires being mounted now. Let's go check it out. So right now, one of our technicians here at Auto Quicks in Balintawak is mounting the Sailun Turismo SU59. This is one of those touring tires. It prioritizes comfort. You know what? Let's bring on one of the examples right here and we'll show you. So, as you can see, this one has an asymmetric tread pattern. What that gives you is better handling overall, whether it's in wet conditions or in dry conditions. And a lot of the features here are about enhancing the comfort of the vehicle and enhancing the durability and wear of the tire. Okay, kuya, sige, game na yan. So now we're gonna get to mounting these tires on this Haval H6. Woo! Maybe I should try it out in a bit. Air hose. Sailun's bestseller in the Philippines has been this, the Terramax AT or all-terrain. It's a great upgrade for your 4x4 SUV or truck because it gives you more off-road capability without sacrificing highway comfort. But what if you want something more? Then you look at this. This is the Terramax RT. Now you must be thinking, RT? Isn't it supposed to be MT for mud terrain? Well, no. You see, this is what we call a hybrid tire, something in between an all-terrain and a mud terrain tire. You can see the design differences of this tire compared to an all-terrain. You look at the sidewall. You see it's got these protectors here that helps you when you're off-road, particularly if you're going for a low-pressure situation. And when you look at the tread pattern, it's really nice and blocky, but not as blocky as a mud terrain tire that gives you the highway comfort and the highway efficiency. But what it also gives you is a lot more of the capability for those of us who want to venture off-road. Kasya ba to sa pickup ko? Masukat nga. Hey, great! Looks like the vehicles are ready. If you want to experience what Sailun has to offer, be it for your passenger car, your van, your bus, even your off-road rig and SUV, well, check out any of their 300 plus outlets nationwide. Now, where do we go today? Highway drive or off-road drive? Para masaya off-road.